To install printed plugin in Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus or S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, select connections, and then tap more connection settings. Next, tap printing, and then tap download plugin. You can see, you can select your plugin you want. For example, printer on print service, and then tap install. Just wait until process complete. Installing. Please wait. And then to open, tap open. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.